QuickPay benefit for our affiliate partners is obviously in the word itself, QuickPay. So as long as they perform their services within the time that it's due, Commercial Fire will pay them within days, 10 days or 15 days, depending on the different parameters, which allows them a greater cash flow. And there's never an issue where they are fighting for bad debt. We always manage that for them. Multi-site end users have become more and more dependent on national account companies to help them manage their fire and life safety. They are dealing with the same labor shortages in their industry as we are in every other trade industry that we deal with. And so that helps them to make sure that all of their work is done and completed when it's due according to the code. And also it allows them to oversee it from one perspective versus having to deal with hundreds of affiliates across the country.